Hi, my name is Jenna. I go to Oak Hills High School over in Bridgetown. Prior to TorchPrep, I had a 25 when I first took the ACT. I thought that was a pretty good score, but I wanted to aim a little bit higher. I did some studying on my own. I got the giant book from a friend who had also taken the ACT and used the book to help her. I was staring at the book, trying to flip through the pages like, what even is this? Where do I start? It was kind of intense for me. While I did study as much as I could, I only raised my score 1 point in a casual setting. I visited the University of Cincinnati and did a tour of their ADAPT Center. I asked some questions about what I should do to raise my ACT score, and they recommended TorchPrep actually. And so the summer of my junior year, I took TorchPrep. It was a week-long class. It was very intense. My teacher was fantastic. He was very passionate about what he was doing. The moment I started realizing that things were working was on like the second or third day that I took the class. We took tests pretty much daily, practice tests, and graded ourselves to see how we would do on the actual test. And that day we were doing some math strategies. And so that day during the practice test, I applied that math strategy and realized that my score had risen like 2 points. When my grandparents picked me up, I told them how excited I was, that my score had raised, my overall average had raised, and I was feeling pretty confident about the actual test. I wanted to get a 28 on the test, on the actual test when I took it that Saturday. When I took the test, a couple weeks later, got my score back, I got a 30. And with that 30, I actually ended up applying with that to all the schools that I considered, like NKU, Miami University, Xavier. I ended up getting into all of them, including my school of choice, and ended up getting scholarships to all of them.